front of me is REALME 9i, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to Calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access Calendar by clicking on it. Now click on the bottom right corner over here, select Got It, and tap on the month above. Following that, you need to pick a date and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, then select Event. From here, you can customize your event however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting and ending hour, or disable this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day, add people from your contact book, select add location, tap on while using the app or only this time, type in an address or a city, tap on the correct one, and now set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. You can even take notes over here. When you're ready, remember to just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can always do that by tapping on it and click on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now make your changes. Click on Save at the top right corner again to save them, and as you can see, my event was edited, but you can always delete it by tapping on it, this time though clicking on those three dots at the top right corner and selecting Delete. Lastly, confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!